Hey, Stealth Warriors! Welcome back to Stealth Fitness, the channel where we conquer fitness together. Today, we're diving into the serene world of yoga. This one's for all you beginners out there. Yoga for beginners. Let's roll out those mats and find our zen. So, you've decided to embark on your yoga journey. Congratulations! The first step is all about building a solid foundation. Find a quiet space, roll out your yoga mat, and let's get started. Yoga is not just about the poses, it's about the breath, the soul, the mindfulness. Take a moment to breathe deeply, grounding yourself in the present. Inhale the good vibes, exhale the stress. Now, let's delve into some beginner-friendly poses. We'll start with the mountain pose, feet grounded, arms reaching for the sky. And remember, it's okay to modify and find what feels right for you. Yoga is all about alignment. Pay attention to your body's alignment in each pose to avoid strains or injuries. Keep those joints happy and let the energy flow seamlessly. Yoga is a dance, a beautiful flow of transitions between poses. Don't rush, let each movement connect with the next. It's not about perfection, but the journey of self-discovery. Hey Stealth Warriors, quick heads up. We've partnered with a fantastic brand, and for a limited time, there's a discounted link for quality yoga mats in the description below. A solid mat can make all the difference in your practice. As we wrap up our yoga adventure, remember that yoga is a personal journey. Embrace the process, be patient with yourself, and let the mat be your sanctuary. If you found today's session helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more Stealth Fitness goodness. Until next time, fellow Stealth Warriors, stay stealthy, stay fit, and find your peace on the mat. Namaste.